Ready to transform your Nikon D3500 into a wide-angle and macro photography powerhouse? First, make sure your Nikon D350 is turned off to prevent any accidental damage. Gently detach your kit lens by pressing the lens release button, usually located on the camera body near the lens mount, and twisting the lens counterclockwise until it comes free. Now, let's unpack our 0.45x 52mm super wide-angle macro lens kit. You should have the main wide-angle lens, the separate macro attachment, and potentially some adapter rings depending on your kit. Check the diameter of your Nikon D3500's kit lens. It's likely 55mm, but double-check the lens markings if your wide-angle lens has a different attachment size, like 52mm. You'll need to use the appropriate adapter ring. Carefully screw the adapter ring onto the front of your Nikon's lens. Next, screw the 0.45x wide-angle lens onto the adapter ring, or directly onto the front of your Nikon lens. If the sizes match, twist it gently until it's snug, but don't over-tighten. That's it. You're now ready to capture stunning wide-angle landscapes. Remember to adjust your camera settings accordingly, such as aperture and ISO, for optimal results. For macro photography, simply unscrew the wide-angle portion of the lens to reveal the macro attachment. This lets you get incredibly close to your subject, capturing intricate details. Experiment with different angles and lighting to fully explore the macro capabilities. Now go out there and unleash your creativity with your newly expanded Nikon D350. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks.